Yes, me there again once more, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. My people, I am going to present pieces of videos to you that have been recorded within the country that is known as Guyana. Now, these pieces of videos that I'm about to present to you are going to show some things that happened on a day when two persons hit a police officer repeatedly. Allegedly, it is said that the police officer was trying to arrest or detain at least one of those persons who was involved in the situation, and it is said that the person was resisting. And it is said that the situation escalated to a point where two persons repeatedly hit the police officer. I also saw a video that shows when a person intervened and did whatsoever he could to de-escalate the situation. And in my point of view, the situation was a hostile situation. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present one of those videos to you so that you can get a good understanding about the situation, viewers and subscribers. This video is going to show some things that happened when a police officer was trying to detain or arrest a person. Yes, what I say? Anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Just sir. I stop pushing my attention. I'm in Dubai, I'm me touch up now, you know.
But the man. But the man.
Remember you last me here, right? That's why I remember. You last me here.
Knock me with a fish crunch, right?
Are you videoing?
I got you pick up him last my year gun.
But the man just survive.
Pull me pants, somebody want me to buy.
Don't get stuck.
I want buy like push people neck.
You got chase?
A young gun, but the master body. Have video. Have video.
Now, me stop the video right there for certain reasons, viewers and subscribers. So that is not the entire video that I saw. Yes, I say, and I have one more video that I'm going to present to you. But let me point out certain things about this video. All right. Now, in the video, you can see when the police officer's gun dropped more than one time. I'm going to say that the gun dropped at least 2 times. Yeah, I'm going to say at least 2 times. And at least one person said some words in the video that gave me the understanding that the police officer had been accused of hitting the person with a gun. Now, some of you might be wondering why the police officer was trying to arrest or detain the person. You see me I say? Let me play back this piece of the video right here to you. Make you hear some words that the police officer said.
You run over me foot and drive where? Come drive.
I lose smoke, give me my me to buy.
Alright. And here may I play a piece of video, make you hear some words that the person said. Here's what I say. Listen.
I run over your foot, watch. No mark not to put you shoe. You want anything for that?
Alright, so I have another piece of video I'm going to present to your viewers and subscribers. And I hope that that video give you some form of understanding about the situation. And I'm talking about the video that I just presented to you. Alright, now here's the next piece of video. This video is going to show some things that happened after two persons repeatedly hit a police officer from within the country of Guyana. Please bear in mind that the police officer had been hit repeatedly by 2 persons. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Move to that. What the fuck is that? See how this is like? Hello. Why let you jump the car? Why you don't know? Once they got kill me, why? Why you don't know me? You gotta kill me. You know me, man.
Okay. Very good.
Okay.
Nobody want to know you.
I'm stumbling up when you got from my mind. That's your problem. The station Me son in a car. I talking to you.
Oh, so the people, you see what go on right this under the video. You see me and say, yeah, a person intervene and do what he could to try and de-escalate the situation. That's in my point of view. If you have a good understanding about the situation, you can let me know who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? Alright, I don't have any confirmed information as to what happened after those pieces of videos have been recorded. So please bear in mind that there are more information out there about the situation. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright, so I want to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you have been watching Dancehall Skilla channel for some time now and have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please do so and click the notification bell also so that you too can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, and here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.